we're back out in the shop. Today I'm going to be hand forging and heat treating two blades I forged from 5160 steel. They're going to be 4-inch everyday carry field knives. So let's get to it. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I've got both of these knives heat treated. I tempered them at 425 degrees for two 2-hour cycles. In my next video, I'm going to be finishing them up with a grinder. I'll be wrapping 550 cord handles and making Kydex sheaths for them. This is going to be a his and her set for a friend of mine who's getting married, and so I'm going to go pink on pink for her knife and red on black for his knife. So hopefully you come check that video out. Thank you for watching all the way to the end of the video. I really do appreciate it. If you're interested in having a custom knife made, you can reach out through the contact form on my website, davidmoonforge.com, or you can send me a direct message on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok. Hopefully I'll see you in the next build. Thanks for watching.